Hello students, good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. I'm fine Zadin. How are you? How are you Anshika, Zadin, Bithika? I'm fine. Hope you all are fine. Very good. Everyone, please listen attentively. You have to check your chat box in your e-portal, and you have to check those chat box of Shongita ma'am. Okay. There are some notifications about exam. So today you have to check this. Why Anshika? What happened? Why you are not fine? So everyone, you have to check your chat box of Shangita ma'am in your e-portal, okay, about those exam. There are some notifications about exam, so you have to check this. This is for everyone. Okay. Sorry. So everyone, let's open your science book. Open your science book. Today we will revise this those two chapters which are in your PT1 exam. So you have to revise it again, and obviously you have to read those two chapters very attentively for exams. Okay. Yes, Anshika, I know. And after the tomorrow there are science exam. So today you have to revise this in this class. Okay, so open your science book and open the first chapter. Our body is wonderful. Our body is wonderful. That is your first chapter at page number 5. So from those two chapters, our body is wonderful, and the second chapter, our sense organs, you have to revise again, and if you have any problem today, you can tell me. Okay. If you have any problem, you can tell me now. So let's start. The first chapter, our body is wonderful machine. Our body is wonderful machines, and it is made up of different parts, and their works are also different. As we know that our body has many parts, different kinds of parts, and those parts has the different kinds of work. So we call this as they have the different kinds and they have different works, that's why we called it wonderful machine. We called it wonderful machines, and our body is a wonderful machine. Here is the picture with those parts already shown here. See this. See your book at page number 5, that what is hair, what is head. Here is a small girl like you, and she is showing her different parts. First of all, that is head, and after that that is hair, right? First is head, and after that hair, and after the face part we get the face part. Okay. And we know that we have many parts in our face, not few parts. We have many parts in our face. And first there is forehead. There is forehead, and after that we have eyes. How many eyes we have? You know this? How many eyes we have? Very good. We have two eyes. We have two eyes. Or we can call them that we have one pair of eyes. Okay. Two eyes means one pair of eyes. Okay. Very good, everyone. So, we have two eyes and we have also 2 ears, right? We have also 2 ears, and after that we have also 2 cheeks and one nose. 2 cheeks here and one nose. We haven't 2 nose. Okay. We have 2 nostrils but one nose, and after it we have one lip. So that is our face part, and after that we have one neck. We have one neck, and we have 2 shoulders. We can call it one pair of shoulder or 2 shoulder. And after that we have the body parts, and there are also many parts of our body. And we have also 2 hands, 2 legs, or we can call it one pair of hands or one pair of legs, right? One pair of hands and one pair of legs. So 2 hands and 2 legs. And after this we have one stomach. We have so we have one stomach, and we have 2 wrists in our 2 hands. One hand, one wrist, one elbow, and 2 hands, 2 wrists, 2 elbows, right? And we have 5 fingers in one hand. We have 5 fingers in one hand. And those 2 hands, we have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers in 2 hands. Angshika, can you hear me now properly? And we have also 2 arms. We have also 2 arms in our 2 hands. And after these portions we have 2 legs. We have 2 legs, and in our 2 legs we have 2 knees also. We have 2 legs and we have 2 knees, and also we have 2 ankles and 2 foot, or can call them feet. But in our 1 foot we have 5 toes. We have 5 toes, and in our 2 legs we have 10 toes. Like our fingers, as we have 10 fingers, like they have 10 toes. Our leg have the 10 toes. Okay. So each part of our body does some work. Each part of our body does some work. Like that, our hands does some work, our legs also. So we can do many things by our legs. We can do many things by our legs. We can stand, we can run, we can jump, we can walk, we can skip, or we can kick the ball also. So we can do many things by our legs, right? We can do many things by our legs, and also we can do many things by our hands. Like We can write, we can draw pictures, we can paint those pictures, we can throw ball, we can fan, we can carry, we can hold, and also we can eat our meal by our hands. So here we also do many things by our hands, and we should take care of our different parts of the body, and also we have to keep them in good conditions as they do many kinds of work. As they do many kinds of work, we should take care, and we should take care of the different parts in our body. Okay. Here are exercise part, and we already completed this, and you already write them in your notebook, right? So you have to practice those exercise part again, and also you have to read this chapter very attentively for your exam. And the next is the second part is our sense organ. We know how many sense organ we have. Yes, Bithika, very good. Very good. So we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs, and those can you tell me those name of those sense organ? Very good. Tell me those name of those 5 sense organs. Very good, Bithika. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Very good, Sharanya. Very good. So we have 5 sense organ, and they are eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. So they do many kinds of work, you know, they do many kinds of work. So can you tell me that which kind of works by our eyes? Very good. Very good. So we can see by our eyes. We can see by our eyes. We can see those all things around us. And you already told me that we have 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes, or we can say we have 1 pair of eyes. Those 2 are same things. 1 pair of eyes means we have 2 eyes. Okay. And very good, everyone. Now tell me how nose help us. Nose is one of our sense organ, and how nose help us. Very good. Very good. So nose help us to smell things, to smell those pleasant and unpleasant smell, right? Those pleasant, we can take pleasant and unpleasant smell by our nose, by our nose. So here you in your book there are also doing things for you, that you have to tick those smell, which things have the nice smell, and you have to cross those things which have the bad smell, right? And you know we have 1 nose, we have 1 nose, and by this nose we take pleasant and unpleasant smell of anything. And after this, very good, Ahana, very good. Yes, it also helps us to take breath. And after it that is ears. How many ears we have? How many ears we have? Very good. We have 2 ears. And how those ears help us? How those ears help us? Very good. To hear sounds, not sound, Rishabh. To hear sounds. Okay. Because our ears help us to hear sounds or to hear music or any kind of sound that may be soft sound, that may be loud, pleasant or unpleasant, any kind of sounds, and our ear help us to hear those sounds. Okay. So here we learnt about those ears, and the one is the tongue. How many tongue we have? You know this. And how it help us? Very good. We have one tongue. We have one tongue. And how it help us? Very good, Arushi. It helps us to taste food. Very good. It helps us to taste food. We have one tongue and it helps us to taste food. To taste those foods which are sweet, which are sour, which are bitter or salty. So we can take any kind of taste by our tongue. By our tongue. And the last one is skin. Skin, how many skin we have? You have to tell me this answer. How many skin we have? Tell me. Very good, Anik, Zareen. Very good, Bithika. There are no number of skin, right? Because skin is present all over our body. There are no number of our skin because skin is present all over our body, and skin help us to feel things. Skin helps us to feel things. Very good, Aditya. So we can, if we touch anything, they may be cold like ice cube, they may be hot tea cup. So if we touch them, we can feel about those things. When we touch a teddy bear, we can feel that is so soft. And if we touch any hard, any things like table, like chair, so we can feel that is little hard, right? So here we touch anything, we can feel this. But you know, we cannot feel the touch of our hair and our nails. Those nails and hairs. We cannot feel the touch on our hair and nails. Those two things, hair and nails, we cannot feel. So, we learned about, we already discussed about our organs and our sense organs, our 5 sense organs. And those are very important for us, right? Very important for us. They are like our best friends, and obviously we must take care of our best friend, right? We must take care of our sense organs. So, we learn those organs, those sense organs, and we have to take care of every organs of our body, every parts of our body, and we have to keep them in good condition. We have to keep them in good condition. And here exercise part which we already completed, those at page number 11, 12, that there are some for answer, question answer, and tick the correct answer which already completed those pictures, and circle the odd ones, right? And obviously think and answer. So those exercise part and those two chapters, two exercise part and those text part, you have to read it very attentively for your exam, because if you do this very attentively, you will answer those every questions of your exam. Okay, so everyone read those two chapters very attentively. Okay, and obviously check today your reportal chat box of Sangeeta ma'am. So from two chapter, have you any problem? If you can't understand anything, you can tell me now. Have you any problem for our body parts and our sense organs? Okay, very good. You have no problem. So you have to read those two chapters for your science exam. And best wishes for everyone. What happened, Ahana? Okay, Abhirup, you can check it later. Okay, after some times you can check it later. Okay, so have a nice day for today. That's all. Thank you.